Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you about one simple change that will make your life better. Literally, this one thing, if you do this one thing on a regular basis, it will completely change your entire life. It will change your entire day, every day of your life. The one change is to change one thing about your morning routine every single week. And by changing one thing, I mean improving one thing. I don't mean changing one thing for the worse. I mean changing one thing for the better. Let's go over some examples. Let's say that you're constantly feeling rushed. Every day you feel rushed. This week, today, right now, or tomorrow, because it's, the next morning. Tomorrow morning, you're gonna wake up 15 minutes earlier than usual. Okay, you might have to go to bed 5, 10, 15 minutes earlier as well to get the same amount of sleep, but you're gonna wake up a little bit earlier. Now, let me tell you what's gonna happen. You're gonna wake up earlier. You're gonna feel more relaxed in the morning. You're gonna have enough time to do things in the morning by feeling more relaxed in the morning. It's gonna change your entire day. When you change your morning routine, your entire day is affected. So as you know, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, and I film a lot of my videos before I start work. I work full-time as a teacher, for those of you that don't know, and I film a lot of my content in the morning before work. And always, if I get everything done in the morning that I want to, and if everything goes smoothly, if I have enough time to film all of the content that I want in the morning, my whole day is better. From that moment that I'm done the content in the morning, all the way until I go to bed, my day is better. And when I realized that, that your morning routine will change your entire day. So for instance, one change might be waking up 5, 10, 15 minutes earlier, this week. Next week, maybe you're gonna wake up 20 minutes earlier, and you're gonna spend 5 minutes in the morning meditating. That's gonna really give you a relaxed state of mind. Maybe for the rest of the day, you're gonna be in a much better mood. And because you're in a much better mood, you're gonna get more work done. Because you get more work done, you're probably gonna make more money, get that promotion, get that raise, or, if you own your own business, you're gonna just get more clients and make more money. Your whole day is going to be affected. Change one thing about your morning routine. Let's say you feel sluggish all day, every day. Maybe tomorrow, starting tomorrow and for all of next week and onwards, you're gonna do like 20 push-ups as soon as you wake up. It'll take you like 30 seconds, 20 push-ups. Takes like a second each push-up. Just literally 20 quick push-ups. Your whole day is gonna change. It's as simple as that. Figure out in your morning what you can do, what you can improve, and improve one thing per week. And with that one little change every week, your whole life will be better. Your whole life will change. Now, like I said, I've changed my morning routine, and I'm not one of those people that has time to meditate. Like, I have a family and I have a busy morning, so I don't have time to like meditate and relax and work out in the morning. My mornings are fairly go, but I know what I want to get done in the morning, and when I do it, my whole day is better. And I built that morning routine over the years. I used to wake up later than I should have, rush my breakfast, head out, always be rushed, arrive right on time, and it just wasn't a great way to live. As soon as I changed one thing every week, my whole life became better. I was able to grow my YouTube channel. I was able to not rush. I was able to spend more time making a good breakfast, spend more time in the morning with my family, talking to them, enjoying the morning, spend more time doing my morning routine, like my hygienic stuff, not rush anything like that. Literally, pick one thing a week in your morning routine to improve, and that little change every single week will totally make your life better. And it's as simple as that. One little change will make your life better. It's as simple as that. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.